Ever wonder how a digital currency with no physical form can have such a profound impact on the world's economy? Welcome to the fascinating world of cryptocurrency, a digital asset that is revolutionizing the way we perceive and utilize money. From being a fringe concept just a few years ago, cryptocurrencies are now becoming a significant player in global economics. So, with curiosity piqued and minds open, let's embark on an enlightening journey to understand cryptocurrency. The inception of cryptocurrency dates back to 2009 with the creation of Bitcoin. A digital currency, unlike anything the world had seen before, Bitcoin was conceived in the mind of a person or possibly a group known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, Satoshi Nakamoto isn't your regular Joe. Their true identity remains one of the internet's most tantalizing mysteries. However, what we do know is Nakamoto's groundbreaking vision. They envisioned a decentralized form of currency, free from the influence of traditional banking systems and government bodies. In a world still reeling from the financial crisis of 2008, Nakamoto published a 9-page paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This paper laid the groundwork for Bitcoin, detailing how it would operate and its potential implications. Nakamoto's Bitcoin was more than just a new form of currency. It was a revolution, a challenge to the status quo, and a testament to the power of innovation. And thus, the world of digital currency was born. At its core, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency. It's like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services, but not many shops accept it yet. And some countries have banned it altogether. However, the interest in these digital currencies is growing, and they're becoming more widely accepted. Cryptocurrency operates on a technology called blockchain. Picture a chain of blocks where each block is a record of transactions. Once a block is completed, it's added to the chain, creating a kind of diary of digital transactions. The magic of blockchain is that it's distributed across a network of computers, making it incredibly difficult to tamper with. Now, let's talk about the decentralization of cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means that they are not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, they're governed by code and rely on a network of computers to confirm transactions. This decentralization is one of the key attractions of cryptocurrencies, as it provides more freedom and privacy than traditional currencies. This brings us to the concept of mining. Mining is a process where powerful computers perform complex calculations to add new transactions to the blockchain. In exchange for their efforts, miners are rewarded with new coins. This process not only validates and records transactions, but also generates new cryptocurrencies. It's like a self-sustaining ecosystem, so why the name cryptocurrency? It's derived from the encryption techniques used to secure these networks. Cryptography is used to ensure that transactions are secure and to control the creation of new coins. In essence, cryptocurrencies are entries in a virtual ledger that no one can change unless certain conditions are met. They represent a revolutionary way of transferring value, where trust is established not by a central authority, but by collaboration, cryptography, and clever code. But how does a cryptocurrency hold any value, you might ask? Well, just like traditional forms of money, the value of a cryptocurrency comes from the faith that people place in it. It's a bit like believing in a magic trick. If everyone around you believes in it, then the trick works. But if no one believes, the value disappears. The first factor that gives a cryptocurrency value is scarcity. Many cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have a limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, no more, no less. This built-in scarcity is similar to precious metals like gold or silver. We value these metals because we know there's only a finite amount of them on Earth. The same principle applies to cryptocurrencies. Their value is partially derived from their rarity. The second factor is utility. A cryptocurrency must be useful. It must solve a problem or offer a service that people find valuable. Bitcoin, for instance, offers a decentralized and relatively anonymous way to send and receive money over the internet without the need for a bank or other third party. This utility gives Bitcoin its value. The third factor is Demand. The more people who want a particular cryptocurrency, the higher its price will be. This is basic supply and demand. If a lot of people are buying a cryptocurrency, its price will go up. If a lot of people are selling, its price will go down. The demand for a cryptocurrency can be influenced by a variety of factors, including technological advancements, market sentiment, and regulatory news. So you see, the value of a cryptocurrency isn't just pulled out of thin air. It's determined by real-world factors like scarcity, utility, and demand. It's not unlike how we value traditional forms of money. And remember, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and speculative. Prices can fluctuate wildly in short periods of time, so while the potential for high returns is there, so too is the potential for significant losses. Thus, the value of a cryptocurrency is a reflection of what people are willing to pay for it. Cryptocurrency is more than just Bitcoin. Indeed, the world of digital currency is vast and varied, teeming with a multitude of cryptocurrencies. Each one is unique, with its own set of features and uses, and together they form the vibrant and dynamic cryptocurrency ecosystem. Let's take Ethereum as our first example. Launched in 2015, Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It's a blockchain-based platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. These smart contracts automatically execute transactions if certain conditions are met, without the need for a middleman. This powerful feature has made Ethereum the go-to platform for decentralized finance and token creation. Then there's Ripple, or XRP. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are mined, Ripple's XRP tokens were all pre-mined before launch. Ripple aims to streamline international money transfers, allowing for real-time, low-cost international transactions. It's a favorite amongst financial institutions and payment providers. And let's not forget Litecoin, often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Created by Charlie Lee in 2011, Litecoin offers faster transaction confirmation times and a different hashing algorithm. It's a popular choice for individuals who need to make frequent small transactions. Beyond these, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with a unique proposition. For instance, Cardano aims to solve some of the biggest issues in the crypto world, like scalability and interoperability. Meanwhile, Polkadot focuses on enabling different blockchains to work together seamlessly. Of course, these are just a few examples. The cryptocurrency ecosystem is constantly evolving, with new digital currencies sprouting up regularly, each with a unique mission and purpose. This vibrant and diverse ecosystem is a testament to the flexibility and potential of blockchain technology. So while Bitcoin may be the most well-known, it is but one star in a vast crypto universe. Each cryptocurrency is a unique entity, thriving in the digital ecosystem. Like any other investment, cryptocurrency comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Let's delve into this a bit more. Cryptocurrencies, with their potential for high returns, have attracted many a savvy investor. Stories of early adopters becoming overnight millionaires are not uncommon. The rapid growth and the seemingly unlimited potential of this digital frontier have proven to be quite enticing. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The world of cryptocurrency is marked by its volatility. Prices can skyrocket in a matter of days, only to plummet just as quickly. This rollercoaster ride isn't for the faint of heart. Another risk to consider is the regulatory uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrencies. Governments around the globe are grappling with how to handle this new form of currency, and changes in regulations can have significant impacts on the value of your investment. Then there's the issue of security. While blockchain technology is inherently secure, exchanges where you buy and sell your cryptocurrencies might not be. Hackers have been known to target these platforms, leading to significant losses for investors. Despite these risks, many believe that the potential rewards of investing in cryptocurrency far outweigh them. The key is to be informed, to understand what you're getting into, and to invest wisely. And that brings us to one of the most important pieces of advice in the world of investing, which is just as applicable to cryptocurrencies. As the saying goes, never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, in its relatively short existence, has demonstrated an immense potential to transform the financial landscape. Its decentralized nature is challenging traditional banking methods and paving the way for a more inclusive, accessible, and efficient financial system. In the future, we could see cryptocurrencies becoming more integrated into our daily lives, perhaps even becoming as commonplace as the traditional currencies we use today. Imagine paying for your morning coffee with Bitcoin or buying a house with Ethereum. Furthermore, the underlying blockchain technology could revolutionize various sectors beyond finance, such as healthcare, real estate, and supply chain management, to name a few. However, this future is not without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles, security concerns, and market volatility are just a few of the issues that need to be addressed. But in the midst of these uncertainties, one thing is clear. Cryptocurrency is here to stay, and it's reshaping the world as we know it. Only time can unveil the full potential of this digital revolution.